Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with another unboxing video because I can't stop spending money. I'm going to be unboxing Map of the Soul 7 The Journey by BTS. Finally came in the mail. I pre-ordered it off of Amazon and I just got it a couple days ago, so I will be opening that up for you guys. My BTS album giveaway is still ongoing and that will be ending on August 21st when Dynamite releases, so make sure you guys enter the giveaway. I will link the video in a little info card so that you guys can check it out as well as follow all of the rules. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I am pretty active on my Twitter, so you guys should go check it out if you are a BTS stan and you like my BTS content. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So I pre-ordered Map of the Soul 7 The Journey on Amazon and it finally came in the mail. So this is the version that I purchased. I'm not sure what version this is. It says type A, but I don't know. It's what the back looks like. The front. I thought this was version B, but I really don't know. So here's the box. Packaging is very nice. I've never owned a Japanese album by them, so yeah. So I guess that's just like a little sleeve. And then this is the, I guess like the book and the, I don't know, the CD. So there's the little card thing. And then oh, there's the CD, and then this is the book. So you have the lyrics, the Japanese lyrics. Is there any photos? Oh yeah, the solo pics. Ooh, Map of the Soul 7 Jungle. Whoa, very nice. They just look very, very good, and just like the suits. J-Hope. Hope's been making me feel some type of way since the teaser photos released, so. And Jen. Oops. Wow. Tay Center. I'm actually here for it. Love it. Also, I just hate that I can't see really Tay and Jimin because they're literally in the fold. Ooh. The pages are super glossy. Very nice. But my book got kind of dented in the corner, but it's fine. And then the credits. Yay. So there's the book. So I honestly really just wanted this album for Your Eyes Tell. I wanted it on CD, so I purchased it. I actually really enjoy this packaging. Ooh. It is very nice. So I can't wait to display it. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and comment down below your favorite song from the Map of the Soul 7 The Journey album. And make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Turn on post notifications if you want to. I don't know, maybe that would be cool. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.